guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is a bittersweet one because I have just arrived back on Marquette's campus. I just finished online finals last Friday, and today is Monday the 11th, and I am going to be packing up my room in my sorority house. So this is really just gonna be a big room packing vlog. My trunk is full of containers and bags. The last time I came here, I actually vlogged that trip as well, but at the time it was 2 months ago, and I thought that I would be coming back to school by mid-April and finishing off the school year here, and obviously that did not go as planned. So I've got a lot of things to pack, wrap up, take care of. There's food in my freezer that I somehow have to get back home, and it's just gonna be a little bit of a mess, but I thought you guys might enjoy watching this, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab as much boxes and bags as possible and head inside. Well, it definitely feels very odd to be back here because it has been so long. Oh, I don't even know how to put it into words. Anyways, I have a lot to do. My plan today is to take everything off my walls, pack up all of my clothes, any food items that I left behind, and then the remainder of things that I won't be bringing back home to Illinois with me, I'm actually going to prepare to be left behind here because I'm reliving in this same house next year. I think I'm gonna walk through the house really quick and see if any girls are here just to say hi, and then I'm going to get to work.
I've been thinking about you day and night, ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes. There was something that I just couldn't deny. Something starts to burst in my chest deep inside. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna die. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you, alone with you, my love, so I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone.
Somehow it has already been an hour since I started, so it's almost 2:45 right now. I got all of my decorations put away in this box. All of my picture frames, my posters, just random knickknacks, the curtains that I hung over my closet, all packed up in here, and this I'll be leaving behind over the summer. But I still have not eaten lunch today. I kind of had a late breakfast right before I started my drive all the way over here, and I'm starting to feel a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna check what I have in my freezer first, and then if it's not looking too good in there, then I might place an order or go pick something up nearby. I don't really know what's open. Okay, I really do not know what to expect. This corner's mine. I have a frozen pizza. I can make that. I'm just gonna place this right here. My pizza is done, and I'm definitely about to eat an entire half of it right now, but while I was waiting for that to cook, I kind of went through all of my makeup and toiletries, and I managed to fit them all into this container, and so that's at least another thing that's packed up. But I do have to say that coming into this without really a plan of action has definitely made me move much slower than I would have liked. Also, in case you're wondering why I have a Webkinz name tag, it is from a date party for my sorority, and I just never got rid of it. So anyways, I'm gonna take a very late lunch break and then hopefully get moving, because time is flying by. I just did a run to my car so that I could just get some like random bags and things that I was taking home out of the way, and now I'm finally starting on my clothes. I feel like this won't take too long because I'm really just taking them out of drawers, putting them in bags, but it'll definitely be a very crucial part of this packing process because I feel like I have been non-stop packing things but seeing no progress.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat.
This duffel is now full of all of the clothes that I am bringing home for the summer, and I've left a few things hanging in the closet, and the folded stuff I've all packed into this cubby, and this is going to be staying behind, so I managed to split everything up. But at this point, all I really have left is to sort through my food, which is up here and in this drawer, as well as like my little spot in the kitchenette, and then the little like knickknacks in drawers and stuff around my room. So not too shabby. I feel like up until this point I was freaking out about how much time I was taking up, but I'm realizing that I'm getting pretty close to done, which is a good feeling to have.
So hard to please. Drowning in feels like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were.
Well, it has only been half an hour since I started packing up my food, but I really just kind of like put the pedal to the metal. I'm clearly very sweaty at this point, if you can't tell already, but I made major progress, like stripped my bed of my mattress pad and have it in a garbage bag to store here over the summer. And yeah, I mean, like my room is looking pretty empty. This stuff I am storing here, as well as all of the things under my bed. This is full of all of my blankets and towels. My chair is staying here. This is most of like the either dry food or like random, I don't know what to call this. It's not silverware, it's like containers, I guess. And then these are the few things that I am leaving behind in my closet. So my storage container, few clothing items, cleaning supplies, and of course my mirror is staying behind as well. I have a giant mirror in my room at home, so there's no need to bring this one. I'm out of breath from all that talking. So at this point, all I pretty much have left to do is run down to my car a few times, take out the trash, and say a final goodbye, at least until fall semester, assuming that everything goes to plan in August. Last but not least, I'm filling up my cooler with whatever remnant refrigerated and frozen items I left behind, so hopefully everything will fit in here. It's mostly the frozen things I'm worried about. Alright, and let's just hope that this closes. Perfect. Great. So that is officially everything at this point. I'm almost embarrassed to say this, but it is almost 6:30. I spent over 4 hours here, which should not have taken me that long, but it's not like I had anything better to do today because quarantine. So with that, I'm going to grab my cooler, head down to my car, and do the 2-hour drive back home. So at this point, I'm literally going to be getting back to my house when it's dark out.